That ABC is a right triangle such that AB equals to AC and bisector of angle C intersects the side AB at D. Then AC plus AD equals to. Now remember, this problem is the toughest one. Here ABC is a right triangle with AB equals to AC, so definitely A will be at a right angle. So AB equals to AC now, and bisector of angle C meets AB at D. So this angle and this angle will be same. Now what you have to prove is AC plus AD is equal to what? Now remember, for this there are two targets to you. First, prove that DA equals to DE first and AC equals to CE. This is target number 1. And target number 2 is prove DE equals to EB. These are the two targets we have to prove. So let's start with first one. In triangle DAC and angle DEC, see here what we have done is we have constructed a line DE perpendicular to BC. Okay, we have drawn it ourselves. That's why it's shown as dotted. So in triangle DAC and triangle DEC, what is it? What is given? Actually, this angle is congruent. CC means ECD and ACD. These two are congruent. Angle A is congruent to angle E, 90 degrees, and side DC is same for both, common side. So these two triangles will be congruent by what? SAA test or AAS we can call it, right? So these two triangles are congruent now. DAC equal congruent to DEC. Now once these triangles are congruent, so we can definitely say that DA equals to DE. Why? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Similarly, AC equals to EC. Why? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles, right? So first target is proven. Now second target, DE and EB. These two we have to prove. So what you do is, simply in triangle ABC, this triangle, what is this? This is 90 degrees and this is AC and AB are equal. It's given. Okay, AB and AC are equal. So once these are equal, that means ABC is what? Isosceles triangle now, isn't it? See here, AB equals to AC. So this ABC becomes isosceles triangle. But total of all the three angles in a triangle is 180. So this is 90 plus these two are equal. So total of these two, angle B and angle C full. That will be how much? This B full plus C full plus A equals to 180. But A is 90. So B plus C will be equals to 90. But they are equal now because of isosceles triangle. So B will be equal to what? 2B. AB equals to ACB. ABC equals to ACB equals to 45 degrees, because 45 plus 45 90 plus 90 180, right? So what we have got now is angle B equals to 45 degrees. Now in triangle DEB, remember this is 90 and this is 45. So what will be D now? It will be again 45, because EDB, that will be 45, because 90 plus 45 plus 45 180. So what happens now? In triangle EDB, these two base angles are 45 equal. So this becomes EDB becomes isosceles. And what does isosceles means? These sides are equal. ED equals to EB. So we have got DE equals to EB now, right? So that's what we had to prove. DE equals to EB. Now give this name as B and give this name as A. So from A and B, what we can say that DA equals to EB. See here, DA equals to D, but DE equals to B. So DA equals to B. So that is one. And next is what? AC equals to C. That is already proven in A. So now AC plus AD equals to what? AC equals to C and AD equals to EB. So that becomes BC. Problem is really tough. Practice it again. Pause this video and practice it again. Download your